Hi, today is about footpath construction, and in this process the first step is to carry out your excavation. Excavation of 800 mm depth is done to remove the top black cotton soil and also to remove the deleterious materials from the earth surface. And then after the excavation, we'll require our gravel subbase material, which we'll be using as a backfill. In this case we used murrum, and it must be compacted to a 95% MDD. After the compaction, we will be installing our kerbstones at the outer edge of our footpath. And during this process of kerbstone installation, make sure you do your henching using a concrete class C15, and then make sure during the process also you leave a channel gap of 500 mm in between the kerbstone after every 4 meters of kerbstone installations. The gap channel will be used as a surface runoff discharge to the drainage. Yeah, of course we don't want water to be stuck on top of our footpath. And then also make sure you put your accesses into consideration. Where there is an access, place your kerbstone slant so that the people around can get their way through to the other side. And then yeah, these are the channels that I'm talking about. These are the gap channels of 500 mm that I'm talking about. And make sure after that you protect them with a top slab. Place a top slab on top of them, and the top slab must be reinforced. So after kerbstone installation, we'll require our the pioneering layer. Yeah, so we'll need the pioneering layer, which must be leveled using a level rod. And then after placing our pioneering layer and compacting it, we lay our carbros as shown here. Here we use 2 different colors for nice appearance. Yes, and make sure during this process the level is placed correctly, as in it's placed straight. Here we have our string level here. As you can see, here is the string level. Make sure it is placed straight so that the pavement blocks are placed on a straight line, so that they look nice at the end of the work. And also make sure your pioneering layer is also well leveled, including your kerbstone. Also make sure you place them at the correct level, the required level. Yeah, so this is the whole process of footpath construction. It's a very easy process and it doesn't take much time. As you can see, it's very easy and simple. So yeah, let's wait and see the last outcome, how nice it looks at the end. And make sure you put everything into consideration, mostly the levels. And also another thing, your top slabs which you are using to protect the channels, make sure they are reinforced, just in case a heavy load appear on top here, they doesn't get broken. Make sure they are reinforced. After the installation of pavement block, make sure you spread sand on top of your pavement blocks, and then you compact them on top of the pavement block to achieve a tight mosaic of the pavement blocks. So make sure the sand is well spread and compacted so that the tight mosaic in between is achieved as required. Yeah, that's the whole process, though I forgot to record that part of sand spreading, but it's something you can do. Yeah, bye, see you on the next video.